Good evening, boys and girls. We're so glad we can be back with you this evening. Today we're going to be going over the multiplication procedures that we expect you to follow when you are multiplying. So, first of all, we are going to start with 32 times 48. Okay? If you were to see that problem, what we would expect you to do is to draw your windows. Okay? So you draw your square, and the purpose of this is because we are going to be dividing our tens from our ones, all right, which also plays into our expanded form when we are writing numbers in expanded form. So we're going to take that 32, and we're going to bring out the tens, so we have 3 tens, which makes 30, and then we have 2 ones, okay? And we're going to multiply that by 40 with 8 ones, okay? So when we're multiplying, you need to make sure that you are multiplying the 30 by the 40 as well as the 30 by the 8. Okay, so when we multiply these two numbers, you don't have to think about the zeros. All you need to think about are the 3 and the 4. Okay, so 3 times 4 we know is 12. And now you have 2 zeros that you're going to add to the end. Then we're going to take 30 and multiply it by 8. So that is 24, and add the 0 to the end, okay? Then we're going to do the same with the 2, all right? 2 times 40, 2 times 4 is 8, and then we add the 0 on the end, and we do the same thing with the 2 by the 8. So 2 times 8 is 16, okay? Once we've done that, what we're going to do now is take the numbers that are inside and put them in order from greatest to least. Okay, so over here, I'm going to take 1,200, 240, 80, and 16. Okay, and I'm going to put them, lining them up, all right? So we have 0 plus 6 is 6. 4 and 8 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Carry that 1. We have 2 and 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, and then we bring the 1 down. So we have our answer to this problem, 32 times 48, is 1,536. Okay, we're going to try this again, and you're going to do another watch me, and then I'm going to give you 2 problems for you to try out on your own. Okay? Make sure that you go back and rewind or pause me if you need to. So you can get all of these steps down. Okay, now we have 96 times 24. Okay, we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to make our window, and we're going to divide it into 4. Okay, we take our 96 and break out the tens. So we have 9 tens, which makes 90, and we have 6 ones. Then we're going to do the same thing with 24. So we have 2 tens and 4 ones. Then we have these 2 to multiply first, and we're going to take 9 and 2, that's 18, and put the 2 zeros at the end. Then we have 90 times 4, so 9 times 4, 36. Put the 0 on the end. 6 times 20, okay? 6 times 2 is 12. Put the 0 on the end. And 6 times 4 is 24. Once again, we're going to line all of those up and then add. So we take 1,800 plus 360 plus 120 plus 24. Okay, make sure those are all lined up in your columns, okay? So 4 plus 0 is 4. Then we have 6 plus 4 because 2 plus 2 is 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry that 1, okay? So now we have 8 and 2 ones. I'm going to make that into a 10. Then add the 3. That's 13 and carry the 1. So our answer to 96 times 24 is 2,304. Okay? Now you can put me on pause, and I'm going to give you a couple of your own problems to try for your turn. And we'd like to see those in your workbook tomorrow. Do your best. Follow the steps. Rewind. Put us on pause. Whatever you need to do. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.